Hey guys, welcome back to another Vapor Haunted Technologies video. Today we are going to be going over our medium parts washer, and I've already got something loaded in here for us. If you've been following along with the channel for, the last month maybe, you've seen us tearing apart a few different engines. This is our Ford Mustang junkyard motor. This thing will never be used again, but it is perfect for demonstrating what removing a ton of grease and grime looks like. You guys can see on the side here, this thing is absolutely caked. You can see my fingers clean, just one swipe, completely black. So it is absolutely caked with just dirt and grease and grime all over this thing. I mean, it's all around the backside. If you are not familiar with what an automatic parts washer is, now this is high heat, lower pressure, but what that allows you to do is essentially bake off the grease and grime that's on this part. And again, it's automatic, so it's completely hands-free. Now what this does is it allows you to take a part just like this, throw it in here, let it process for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. Depends on how long you want to run it, essentially. Depends on your starting point. Truthfully, with this one, it will be a little bit longer just because of how much grease and grime there is on it. But we will be able to take this part and bring it out to a clean state once we're finished. Now, some cool things about this machine in particular, you can see this side door here. This allows you to front load. So if you want to forklift it in, you can, or you can handle it in by hand, but you can also crane it in because of where we have the top support here. You have enough room to actually crane a part in. So they are very easy to put in your shop. Now in the second iteration of this machine, because this was one of the first ones, the door design is a little bit different. Make sure you guys stay tuned on our website for updates on that, as well as on the YouTube channel. With all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing run, and we'll actually come back here in a minute and check up on it, and you guys can see exactly what these machines are capable of. All right guys, we're back. So we did about a 40-minute cycle time on this part. I went ahead and allowed everything to cool down inside of here. So as you guys saw earlier, you can remember how much, that's actually crazy impressive. This thing was caked in grease, as you guys saw. But again, allowing the heat to actually take hold of that and remove all of it, it's phenomenal. I know if you guys have ever messed around with a standard pressure washer versus a high temp pressure washer, the results you can get with just standard cleaning is crazy. A few things to note, this is not going to get you results like what you would see from our Gladiator. If you're not familiar with what the Gladiator is, it's a similar concept, but uses wet blasting. So there is an aggregate inside the water that you're propelling onto the part. And what that allows you to do is remove things like rust up here and potentially this gasket material that you can still see that's hanging on. Since this is just water and aqueous-based detergent, it does not have the proper means to actually remove past the surface level. So that's why you see there actually, once this dries, there may even still be some grease that's left on the part, but it's stuck inside cavities, and the heat alone with the lower pressure can't take it out. Again, the higher pressure variant of the auto parts washer might be able to do it, and a Gladiator definitely would. But if your goal is to just quickly get a part in, throw it in here, bring it back to a point to where it's serviceable, there is literally no better option. Yes, you can do this in a hydroblast. You will get better results in a hydroblast, but you have to manually do it. This is a hands-free option for getting very repeatable, very consistent, very good results. If you guys have any questions about these machines, you can check out our website at vaporhauntedtechnologies.com. We have all the specifications for not only the medium parts washer, but the small parts washer and the large parts washer alike. You can also call us at 828-202-5563. We can answer all of your questions. And you can actually get one of these things in your shop today and start putting it to good use. If you guys want to see anything actually processed inside of one of these machines, leave it in the comments below. We'd love interacting with you guys. You can also leave your questions there and we may answer in a video. But thank you all for watching. I hope you found this informative, and we'll see you guys in the next one.